St. Francis School is very happy to introduce Taekwondo as one of the self-defense program in our school because we feel it is the need of the hour. Children are taught how to defend themselves if there is any problem, because today the security of girl children is very important. So other than taking care of the academics and curricular and extracurricular activities, I thought that it is also important that we introduce one or two martial arts. So we have introduced in our school karate and taekwondo, and particularly taekwondo many students have joined because they found it's one of the beautiful thing. Also they are seeing the masters are very committed. There is also a lady instructor, and many parents have come forward to encourage their children to take part in taekwondo. We have got around, at present we have got nearly 50 students, and out of them 30 students have gone for different level of competitions, national level, also district level, and wherever they went they won many prizes. I have to really congratulate our taekwondo master for it. His deep commitment, dedication, hard work, discipline, punctuality, all these things also contribute to children's performance. And I am very happy now 25 of our students are participating in the Guinness World Record. It is a feather in our cap. I am proud that our students are going to LB Stadium on 3rd December to take part in this competition. And I am confident that they will surely do it well. They will give their best for it because they have got the support of the management, support of the staff, parents, particularly the trainer.
Which area of school, ma'am? St. Francis School?
St. Francis Girls High School.
Which area, ma'am?
Secunderabad. Principal of St. Francis Girls High School, Secunderabad. We have got around 2,625 children in our school, all of them girls. We are so very happy to educate girl children. And today our girls in the world, in the society, face lots of problems. Therefore we thought one of the best things that we can do for our girls is to teach them self-confidence and to teach them how they can defend themselves. So in our school we introduced taekwondo and karate. For taekwondo we have more than 50 students who are coming regularly for practice. It's not within the school time, it's out of the school time. So early morning they come, and I feel so happy to see them, their sense of discipline and punctuality. So happily they come for practice. We have got one of the best trainer, tutor, in the person of Mr.Irfan Ismail. He takes lot of interest, care, and he is very enthusiastic about children's performance. Out of the 50, nearly 30 students went for districts and national tournaments. And wherever they went, they got very good prizes, even cash award. And I'm very happy that on 3rd December, they are going to participate in the Guinness World Record competition. 30 of them selected, so they'll be going. I wish them all the best, and I'm confident that they will do their best. So I wish our instructor, Mr. Irfan Ismail, and his team that they perform well and bring many laurels to themselves and to the institution. Thank you and God bless you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद इरफान इस्माइल है। मैं चैलेंजर्स टाइकोंडो क्लब का जनरल सेक्रेटरी हूँ। यहाँ सिकंदराबाद सेंट फ्रांसिस गर्ल्स स्कूल में मैं ट्रेनिंग देता हूँ और यहाँ के जो है ना 30 बच्चियाँ जो है ना गिनीज रिकॉर्ड के लिए सेलेक्ट हुई हैं, जो 3 दिसंबर को इवेंट होने वाला है एलवी स्टेडियम में। और आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि बच्चों के लिए दुआ करिए। इंशाल्लाह बच्चे बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स का बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट है, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट का तो हद से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट है। और इंशाल्लाह बस दुआ कीजिए कि बच्चे गिनीज रिकॉर्ड जीत के स्कूल का, तेलंगाना का और देश का नाम रोशन करें।
Right leg back.